Okay, I'm here at the Absinthe House, right across the street from the hotel, Royal Sonesta, where we're staying. I just had a shot of rum, and now I'm having a Budweiser. Oh, sorry. Hey, my friends, I'm having a damn good time. Pat Lynch, Brandon Bryant, Christy and Lou Droz, all my friends, you know who you are. Having a good time at the Absinthe House Bar. Cool place. Yep. On Bourbon Street. Having a great time. Hope your night is good too.